Today we're going to take a look at replacing the canister purge solenoid on this 2006 Ford Taurus with a 3-liter engine. So we're focused in here kind of in the firewall area on the passenger side of the vehicle. So we've got the engine, the power steering, reservoir, the coolant reservoir, then our canister purge solenoid is in the corner here. First thing I'm going to do is pinch the electrical connector and disconnect that. Now I'll just take my straight screwdriver, and on the back side of the bracket here there's a little locking tab which I can press in and allows it to slide off. So you can see on my other one here, here's that locking tab I'm talking about. So if I push on that with my screwdriver, it releases it, allows it to slide out of it. So once that's off, now there's two hoses going to it. One going to the evap canister, and there's also going to be one that's got a vacuum applied to it going from the engine. So when this purge solenoid is turned on, as it's normally closed, once it's turned on, it's going to allow vacuum to pass through and draw those fuel vapors from the canister into the engine. So these two lines, now I'm just going to take, sometimes I can get it with fingers, sometimes got to get it with a screwdriver here, but we just need to push in the tab on there and release the locks, which will allow the lines to come off. So as you can see, sometimes they're a little tricky. You might get a little bit of road debris or some grime built up behind it, but once I get it pressed in, it releases, and then I can slide them up off there. Alright, now I got the lower one off. And just like that, we've got our old unit off the vehicle. So, if we take a look at our new one, there's one up here which says MAN, which is actually going to be the vacuum one, and then there's going to be another one here that says CAN, which goes to the canister. And they're actually different size, so they'll only go on one way. The lower one is the one going to the canister. So, in similar fashion, I can slide these back in place, give them a good push to make sure that they lock on there. I want to make sure we feel or hear a nice click. Then I slide over here to the bracket, and we'll slide it forward. Got to work it a little bit. There, now that's locked in place as well. Now I'll find my electrical connector, lock it in place, and just like that, we've gone ahead and replaced the canister purge solenoid on this 2006 Ford Taurus with a 3-liter engine. If there's any trouble codes set, we might want to clear those out and retest the system, verify we have no leaks, but the job is all set.